Hello, welcome to Math 121 Online for Fall 2018. I'm Stacy Norrie. For our class, everything that you need to find is going to be under course materials. I'm going to give you a little tour. So course materials and content. First, you want to start with the getting started. It does have our full syllabus as well as the guidelines for the discussions. And it has some information about me. Okay, to get to know me better. The best way to contact me if you need anything is by sending an email, stacynorrie@frontrange.edu. I can reply to those usually, within even the same hour. If you send a D2L internal message, I have to wait until I'm back at a desktop with D2L opened to access that box and reply. Okay, so if you need a fast response, please use email. Otherwise, I can read the D2L messages, but I cannot reply until I'm back at a desktop. Okay. So, under the table of contents, again, we will have, our syllabus. The next section is the Help Center hours. If you ever need help, there are math help centers on all 3 campuses. And I have their hours posted here, as well as locations. And below that, you have a module for each week. Okay, so we have Week 1 is going to be, B4 and 1.3. So we have 2 sections this week. Up here, you have the list of everything that is due this week. So you have 2 homework assignments, 2 quizzes, the discussions, an email assignment, as well as a reminder. Okay. I will link the discussions below for each week. There also will be non-discussion assignments. Okay. So for example, week 2, one of the assignments is to take a survey, and so you have to click the testing location survey and decide which campus you'll be taking your test at. If you're not taking a test at one of the Front Range campuses, you do need to fill out that proctor request form. Okay. And that is included in the syllabus, right? Click that link, fill out the form to get set up. Okay. If you want to see your grades, you just go progress and then grades. Okay, those will be updated weekly. Okay. For week 1, one of your first assignments is to send me an email. I want to know that you can send me an email, that you have my address correct. Okay. So it's up to you. You can, tell me something funny. You can tell me what you did this summer. You can tell me why you're taking this class. Like, what do you want to do in life? Okay. Whatever it is, you just need to send me an email by Sunday night. Okay, as it says, week 1 assignments are due on the 26th, which is Sunday. Okay, so they will open every Monday and close every Sunday. Opening up the syllabus for us, we have a couple of guidelines. Okay. So while that's loading, if you are near the Larimer campus, I will be having office hours. I will have office hours Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 to 10 p.m. in CP 129. There you go. Okay, so Tuesday, Thursday, 9 to 10, CP 129. I also work in the Math Help Center Monday through Thursday, 9 to 11 a.m. Feel free to stop by. Okay. My email and voicemail phone number are also posted on the syllabus. Okay. You are allowed a scientific calculator, but not a graphing calculator for online college algebra. We are going to do online homework. Okay. So that's accessed through the front page. Let's do that really quick. So going to the front page, you can click My Math Lab Plus, and it will open up the online homework system. So it has some of the assignments that are coming up. It does not list all of them in order, so do not depend on this assignment summary. Okay. So if you go to homework and then, also quizzes and tests, you will see things that are coming up. For the moment, I only have one of them open at the moment. The rest open on the 20th. Okay. So here's your list of assignments. You can click the homework assignment. If you need help, there are a few options for you. Okay, so question help, you can hit view an example, which will show you a similar example and how to solve it. You can ask my instructor, so it will send me a screenshot of your problem and you can type a question in there as well. Again, if you want a response, make sure that you do type your email into the MyMathLab system when you sign up. Do not use, @ucourses. That's not actually an email address. Some of them have linked videos, other ones have linked textbook pages that you can also click. The help me solve this will solve this exact problem, which means you don't get to. So then it would try again with a new set of numbers. Okay. If you end up having 100 questions for homework assignment, go ahead and send me 100 emails. I don't mind. I want you to understand, right? That's the important point. Okay, so that's the online homework system. For our class, homework is worth 10%, and so are the quizzes and discussions. We will have two exams worth 50% altogether, and a final exam worth 20%. Okay. Your discussions and your online homework count as your attendance and participation for this online class. If you have a technology problem, that is your responsibility. You need to be able to go to the library to use their computer, contact me and let me know. Okay, there's no makeup work. Okay. If you want any exams returned to you, just the first and second one, the final never gets returned, send a self-addressed stamped envelope with the exam. Okay, so bring one in with you and it'll be attached to the test. Okay. Study groups are helpful as well, and I will start a study group discussion that will be left open in case people want to plan meetups. Okay. So just a reminder, read the syllabus for more information. I have the discussion guidelines for this first week. You have 2 homeworks, 2 quizzes, 2 discussions, and 1 email to do. And if you're taking an exam at an alternate testing location, you do have to fill out the proctor form during the first week. Okay, well, welcome to fall, and I look forward to getting to know you.